Hello everyone, I have returned with another cool video. Today I'm going to turn myself into the bright and cheerful mechanic Cindy Aurum from Final Fantasy 15: A New Empire. I'm also going to be showing you guys some of my top cosplay makeup hacks along the way, so you won't want to miss this. So number one, the first one is concealing the brows. I know you guys have seen me do this a million times, but this is really important in cosplay. The easiest way is using a washable Elmer's glue and pressing all of your hair in one direction. Once it's dried, you just want to apply a setting powder on top. If you don't have a lot of brow hair, that should be enough. If not, use concealer and powder foundation. Now you can draw new brows anywhere in any shape. This second hack is going to be really helpful to make your nose look sharp and tall just like an anime. So I like taking my tweezer and applying cream contour on one side. Then I just align it to my nose and then drag it down. Then take your blending brush and blend out all the edges. You can also highlight on the center, and there you have your perfect anime nose. Next is using eyelid tapes to change the shape of your eyes. So I know this is commonly used to enlarge your eyes, but you can also make it smaller. I'm going to show you guys how. So you just want to apply the tape really low near your eyelashes, and then there you go, smaller eyes. My eyes are already kind of small, so it might be hard to tell, but let me enlarge the other eye so you guys can see the difference. Crazy, right? So next, if you need a cut crease for your character, you can always use your eyelash curler. So I'm actually curling my eyelashes and making the cut crease at the same time. All you need to do is go over with concealer on the bottom, and there you have easy instant cut crease. Okay, this next hack is great for cosplayers and beauty lovers in general. If you have ugly lashes like these ones, just take a dry spoolie and just brush them. Once you brush them, it'll make them really wispy and natural looking. And that's the way to save some dollars and still elevate your cosplay. Okay, now let's move on to hack number 5. I have another lash hack. This is for the bottom lashes. So if your character has really long lower lashes, you don't have to use false lashes. You can always draw them on. It looks pretty real. Just make sure that you do it with a really light hand, and practice makes perfect. Now I'm at the lip hack. So to make that really thin anime lips, I like to take a really dark lip liner first and apply it on the innermost part of my lips. And I like to take a lighter lip liner and create a nice beautiful gradient. After that, I just apply a bright lipstick on top and clean out the edges using a lip concealer. Now I'm at my 7th hack, and for this I want to make sure that the wig cap is on. I'm going to take these amazing face lifting tapes to elongate my eyes and also make my jawline look more V-shaped. Before you apply it, you want to tie each end with an elastic band. I lost mine, so I'm just using floss. I know it's gonna work. So I'm just going to rip the middle of it and then start sticking each tape to the sides of my temples. Then I'm going to do the same thing for the jawline. I'm just going to glue it a bit lower. Now you guys can start seeing the difference. It's really making my face look more pulled up. This last hack is very important to finish off most cosplays. So if it feels like your wig is not blending with your face, it's just not looking right, just grab your eyelash glue. I've used spirit gum before, but I like using eyelash glue better. I'm just going to apply it on the sides and press the hair on the glue. Once it's dried, it's gonna look really neat, and even when you move, it's just not gonna budge. So with my cap on, I am finished with my character Cindy Aurum's look, and you guys know some of my favorite makeup cosplay hacks. Now I want to share with you guys the popular Final Fantasy 15 New Empire mobile game app that inspired this whole video. This game is so fun, it'll keep you busy for hours. You basically create your own kingdom. So you got your own bank, hospital, prison, even farmlands. Then you collect magical resources to level up your warriors to defeat monsters, which will eventually make your empire even bigger and stronger. It's pretty easy to play. There are players from all over the world that have formed guilds, so if you need help and support or even have questions, they're always there to help. Also remember, the guild store section will help you gain access to special items you can't get anywhere else. So make sure to check out this game. I'll have the download link on my video description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye!